Welcome to School of Business,
where our BBA program shapes tomorrow's business minds.
Canadian University of Bangladesh,
Where your future begins.
CUB blends modern learning with practical experience. The university follows tutorial-based education system, which means we get real attention and personal understanding, not just memorizing for exams. The courses are designed with industry needs in mind.
Our faculties doesn't just focus on teaching. They shape our thinking, guide our passions, and bring out the best in us. With experienced professors who genuinely care, every class becomes a journey of growth and discovery.
After you're done with BBA, CUB will provide you guidance through the internship process, which will help you to get the best possible opportunity in the corporate world and shape your career.
Welcome to CUB Business Club, a hub for students who think big, lead boldly, and turn ideas into action. We host workshops, business competitions, networking events, and corporate visits to help you gain real-world experience beyond the classroom. Join us to learn, collaborate, and grow together. This is where the future leaders begin their journey.
You know what makes the School of Business so special? We believe in learning by doing. Through dynamic events like workshops, corporate sessions, and national-based competitions, we gain real-world experience and develop leadership skills that go far beyond the classroom.
The canteen is one of my favorite places on campus. It's not just about tasty and affordable food. It's a place full of energy, memories, and good vibes. It's where friends meet, laugh, and share ideas.
Here at CUB, we learn, we grow, and we celebrate each other's success just like a family. So come join us and be a part of the CUB family, where your journey begins and your future truly shines.
Canadian University of Bangladesh, inspiring applied knowledge.